Just like the project we're here on live. I'm going to start site testing today. I just made some changes to the testing procedure. We're only going to do testing on the telepathic procedure, on the telepathic abilities, and not on the remote viewing. We just had issues trying to capture the results for remote viewing, so we're only going to do telepathic. We're going to do the network speed random. We're going to do the random number generator. We expanded the task manager processor ID. We're going to start and restart task manager 3 times. So we're going to do telepathic sentence, the telepathic testing with the sentences back and forth, and we're going to have a total of 20 test cases, whereas we had 21 before. So should still have a good pool of numbers, pool of test cases. And we'll start at 1 p.m. 1 p.m. The side was asking me to move some cameras around, make sure everything was good. Just a little feedback, that's good. Almost forgot about everything else I'm supposed to be doing right here. So there's a live feed on Facebook, and there's also there's a live feed with the screen share on Facebook, and there's also a live feed on YouTube. So you have a backup feed on YouTube. And as usual, we'll be uploading everything to YouTube when it's open. I'm not sure Facebook, there was a question from the side of starting to upload things to Facebook. I'm not sure Facebook's equipped to handle the length of the video, so I have to look at that one. I know it's a Facebook branded property now, so I mean, but just like some of the document storage, there was a reason why I was in Blogger for the first place, because it was just a better place for it. So. we'll work with that. But I'll definitely look. I'll definitely look. What else can I share? I don't know if everybody knew. 1 trillion tweets blew me away. I couldn't believe that. I just could not believe it. Couldn't believe it. I almost didn't say anything because I mean, the number sounded so unreal. And then I guess the closest next one is 19 billion. Yeah, I think 19. She said 19 or 12 billion. That's incredible. That's incredible. Yeah, so I never get a complete night's sleep. I'm up for at least an hour every night, but that's incredible. Minimum of an hour, 2 to 3, usually 2 to 4, something like that. It's pretty quiet today. I'm sure you don't want me to say that out. And we're still going to get those vlogs out today. I got the 3 podcasts out earlier. I'm still, after the side testing, we'll go back and I'll go back and get the 3 vlogs out. Long day. All right, the psychic project. I guess we'll get ready. We'll get started with side testing. We'll go directly into the telepathic testing. So we're going to start with telepathic test case number 1. So we're going to start with telepathic test case number 1. telepathic test case number 1. Started. So that's the end of telepathic test case number 1. We're going to start telepathic test case number 2. Starting telepathic test case number 2. That's the end of telepathic test case number 2. And just in case you guys are wondering why the pause in between each test case is because none of it's pre-programmed. I don't have any idea what the sentence is until right before I start the test case, because it can't be pre-programmed, right? Not like the night before I think of 5 or 6 different sentences. It's not. I just whatever's on the top of my head. So starting telepathic test case number 3. Telepathic test case number 3. In the telepathic test case number 3. And I actually just I looked at somebody and just picked something off their being off their person just to talk about. That way, just pick something. Telepathic test case number 4 starting. Telepathic test case number 4 starting. Telepathic test case number 4 complete. And I paused there because the wet floor sign in here is actually a caution sign. And I wanted to change the sentence, and then I knew that would screw it up, so I didn't change. If you saw that pause, it was because I was trying to decide if I should change or not, and then I was like, oh, that'll totally screw things up. So I didn't change. Telepathic test case number 5 starting. Telepathic test case number 5 complete. I know that voice, and I froze a little bit because I was wondering why she was suddenly so quiet. She wasn't loud at all. She's usually a lot louder than that. I sent her a message today too. Anyways, telepathic test case number 6. Sorry. Telepathic test case number 6 starting. Telepathic test case number 6 complete. Good. That's the end of the telepathic test cases. We'll move on to the next set of test cases, the random test cases. These are the random number generator test cases. We're going to move on to those. Okay, so we're going to start the first random number generator test case. Random number generator test case number 1 starting. Random number generator test case number 1 complete. The value is 302197. We're going to go on to the next test case. We'll try a larger number. Random number generator test case number 2 starting. That's the random number generator test case number 2 complete. The number was 6166605. 6 has almost threw me off. We'll try another. Again. generator test case number 3 starting. Random number generator test case number 3 complete. The number was 438-16288. Oh, for those that are on YouTube, yeah, I just realized why I was repeating it out loud. Okay, so random number generator test case number 4 starting. We're gonna try one more digit on here. Random number generator test case number 4 starting. Random number generator test case number 4 complete. The number was 707-459-105. If you notice in that test case, I tried to use the element of timing by pausing significantly before she repeated it. Just an extra layer of validation. The timing of the answer, the responses. Let's go. We'll go down to the minimum. Okay. Random number generator test case number 5 starting. Random number generator test case number 5 complete. The value was 22556. And we'll go on to the last one. We'll stay at 6 digits. Anywhere between 1 and it could be anything. So we'll start random number generator test case number 6. Random number generator test case number 6 complete, and the value was 645284. So that's That completes the random number generator test cases. We're going to move on to the speed test cases, network speed test cases. Network speed test case number 1. We'll go ahead and start it. Speed test, network speed test case number 1, starting. Network speed test case number 1 completed. I chose the download speed, 22.1 download. We'll move on to network speed test number 2. Network speed test number 2 will start. Network speed test number 2 complete. The value I chose was the upload speed, 3.61 upload. We'll start with network speed test number 3. Network speed test case number 3 starting. Network speed test case number 3 is completed. I chose the value of latency. The value was 60 milliseconds. We'll start network speed test number 4. Network speed test case number 4 starting. Network speed test number 4, test case number 4 is complete. I chose the value of download. The value was 27.4 download. Wait. Shoot. Okay, I see what's going on. Yeah, this is number 4. Have to update that. If you have the notes, there's a little numbering issue. I'll have to update that. You know, there's so much work on the Psychic project for one person. It's actually enough work for a 10-man team. I'm actually going to try to put together a team, submit it to Facebook. But yeah, there's definitely enough work. At least on my side, and we brought up another site today. On my side, it's a VNet. We brought it back into the fold. We might put some content on it, but at this time we're using it as a provider. But we might play it with content. But right now, YouTube is our main hub for video. So, and then of course there's Instagram. So we'll see what we can do. So anyways, so yeah, like I was saying, there's enough work for a 10-man team. Okay, I'll move on to the next test case. And so we're looking at network speed test case number 5. We'll start that. We're just dedicated workers here, you know. So anyways, network speed test case number 5, starting. Network speed test case number 5 is complete. I chose the value of latency, and it was 72 milliseconds. And network speed test case number 6, we're starting. Network speed test case number 6, starting. Network speed test case number 6 completed. I used the upload value, 3.66 upload. Sometimes it's just amazing. She can just pull it right out of my mind. You know what I mean? It's just sometimes I sometimes use the term real time, and it's as if the moment that I observe the value, she repeats it in the side. Sometimes I'm always amazed at how one-minded we are. You know, it's not like she has to think about it or some guessing game. She pulls it right at the same time the thought processes in my mind. It is just, it's unbelievable sometimes. And I just wanted to share that with you guys. I'm amazed sometimes by the ability. Okay, we'll move on to the final 3 test cases. These are the task manager processor ID task. We're going to restart task manager 3 times and pull a new processor ID. I should have validated the initial processor ID, but that's okay. All right. Task manager. Restart. Task manager test case number 1 started. Task manager processor ID test case number 1 complete. The value was 18232 processor ID. Task manager processor ID test case number 2. We're going to start it now. These tests tend to take a little bit longer. Starting task manager test case number 2. Task manager test case number 2 complete. The value I said was processor ID 340. I hope you all understand exactly what I did there between the first one and the second one to try to throw a curveball. Task Manager, test case number 3, and the final test case. We'll restart Task Manager right now. Yeah, I was hoping one of these days she'll see me. I was talking about my daughter. All right. Task Manager, test case number 3, and the final test case. Task Manager, test case number 3 complete. The value I said was PID 11004. And on all, and just so you guys know, on all 3, I said it in a different sort of, I said processor ID at the end or at the beginning, or I used PID, you know, just to confuse it a little. So that's the inside testing. Still got a lot of work next week. Look for the blogs, look for the podcast. We're still going to be uploading lots of information. All right, it's a Cycle project. Site testing is complete. Make sure you want to stop for now. Okay.